Well, some man said drill the hole right into the canopy. I don't know why, but it's one thing I'm going to have to fix on it. And I got to fix that as well. There's the transformer. That's where the oil goes into that cup. Goes straight down into it. Just got to redo the blades on it. It's 3-speed, and yes, it is a clockwise rotating ceiling fan. I'm not making a video through a mirror. No, this is actually a clockwise rotating ceiling fan. And it's this year where Emerson made the reversible ones. But this one doesn't have the reversible motor, so they put a cap over where the switch would be. The switch on that would just be another switch like this with a chain onto it. And you just pull the chain to switch the direction of where you want the fan to turn. Just like this little Emerson Mini 44-inch fan. This one's also a reversible model, and it's reversible. It's got the reverse switch as well as the speed switch, but this is a 2-speed model. Also keep in mind that this ceiling fan is about 6 years older than this Emerson table fan. First speed is high. It is slightly a little faster than a Hunter original from 1982. Second one is medium. Speeds are controlled by a transformer located on the top that I showed earlier in the video. And low. It's off. In about a few weeks, I'm gonna go ahead and build me a workbench like the one I had in my old house, and I'm gonna start making videos of me actually restoring all these fans that I have. Just as of now, just making videos of them as I get them. So, like I said, within a couple of weeks, I will have a workbench, and I will start making videos of me restoring fans from start to finish. So that'll be coming up soon. One more thing I want to show you about these model Emerson ceiling fans before I close is that you could change the oil in these fans without taking the fan down or tilting it. All you do is just take these 4 set screws out and let the switch housing drop, and they got a drain plug on the side. I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, now that I took out the 4 set screws for the switch housing, they came out, and there's the drain plug right there onto the side. All I got in there is 5W20 oil. Since this fan is, I bought this fan as found condition, so I haven't took it apart. I just kind of removed one of my Hunter originals and just installed it so I can make a video of it and put some oil in it. So since I had it running for a while, I'm going to go ahead and drain it. Also, these fans can have a light kit put to it. This wire that's wrapped around these other sets of wires for the switch is for the light. And when you put a light kit on there, you eliminate this, and the light kit would have the fan speed switch on one side and the light switch on the other. And right in the middle, if the fan's reversible, have a spot for the reversible switch. So I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil. Alright. I said this set screw hasn't been off this fan since it's brand new, so I had to kind of get it to come loose. So I kind of paused the video for that. So here we go. Cap's just gonna fall right in. All that dirty oil coming out of there. And this oil was clear. Now, you just saw a video of somebody changing the oil in this ceiling fan. Just like a car. Only difference is there is no oil filter. Look at all that dirt in there. This was clean oil that went into the fan, and I only had the fan running for an hour. All that oil buildup. That buildup is probably older than my dad. You want some gravy on your potatoes?